Good morning, sir. Welcome to Hazor Hotel. I am your butler for today, Nathaniel. How may I assist you today?
I want to check in. Is there available room?
Okay, sir. I'll assist you to the front desk. Follow me. So, allow me to escort to your room, sir, this way. So, before we arrive in your room, let me explain to you all the facilities and amenities that we have in our hotel. So, we have cafe, pool, and fitness gym in the third floor of the hotel. So, this is your room, sir. May I have your key and allow me to open the door for you?
Sure.
So this is your room, sir. Please have your seat, sir. So allow me to explain everything that we have in your room, sir. First, we have the refrigerator over there and the laundry in the comfort room. So we also have the rice cooker in the kitchen and balcony in my back. So we also have the telephone here. Just dial 111 if you have concerns or requests.
Alright, I will ask you anything I forgot.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Do you mind, sir, if I put it inside your room?
Yeah, sure.
Is there anything else I can do to assist you, sir?
No, I think it's not enough. Thank you.
It's my pleasure, sir. If you need further assistance during your stay, just dial 111 and thank you, sir. This way, sir.
Hindi naman magbukas yung ano.
Here's your luggage, sir. Thank you, and I hope you have a wonderful stay in Azul.
Thank you.